DJI's smallest flying camera may be preparing for another major update. The DJI Neo 3 is increasingly appearing in leaks, prototype sightings, and insider reports, suggesting a late 2026 launch. If true, DJI could deliver meaningful improvements in camera quality, flight performance, and obstacle sensing while keeping the drone compact and beginner-friendly. According to recent leaks and industry speculation, the DJI Neo 3 is shaping up to be a significant evolution of DJI's Palm Launch drone series. The most notable rumored upgrade is a larger camera sensor, replacing the smaller half-inch sensor found in previous Neo models. This change could improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. Reports also suggest support for 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles and enhanced HDR recording, giving creators more flexibility when editing footage for social media platforms and short-form content. Flight performance may also receive a welcome boost. Sources within the drone community indicate the Neo 3 could achieve up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery, thanks to improved motor efficiency and better power management. While this may not challenge larger drones, it would represent a noticeable improvement for a compact palm-sized aircraft. Obstacle avoidance is another area where DJI appears focused on improvement. Earlier Neo models relied mainly on forward and downward sensors, but rumors point to a new tri-directional sensing system. If implemented, this upgrade could make autonomous tracking and indoor flying safer for beginners and casual users. Connectivity may also take a leap forward. Several reports suggest the Neo 3 will adopt DJI's O4 Plus video transmission technology, potentially allowing a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers in ideal open environments. This would place the drone closer to capabilities typically reserved for more advanced DJI models. Competition in this category continues to grow, particularly from lightweight creator-focused drones such as the HoverAir X1 Pro series. However, DJI's ecosystem, software integration, and flight technology remain key advantages. If the Neo 3 arrives with the rumored upgrades while maintaining an affordable price, it could become one of the most popular entry-level drones released in 2026. Thanks for watching. The DJI Neo 3 remains unofficial, but the growing number of leaks suggests something exciting may be on the horizon. With a better camera, longer flight time, improved obstacle sensing, and upgraded transmission technology, it could be a major upgrade for creators. What feature would make you upgrade? Comments below.